can see people play on here. Adults and children. Oops, going the wrong way. Walking over there. Because it is a play structure. Like 12-16. It's okay to scare anything that has wings. It's right over the parking lot.
Birds, dummy.
You got the USDA shooting explosives over here. You know, they fence. Look at that right there. Right, that's the reason you don't shoot those near people. So he doesn't even know if there's people. They're trying to hurt these birds. That's cruel. That's sad. One night heron. Poor bird. He's probably tired. He's been harassed and stressed. Oh, they think it's funny. Dude. Really? Wow. He's probably, that bird's injured. And, you know, we can blame the USDA for their inhumane treatment of migratory birds.
Save the trees! Save the trees! Save the trees! Save the trees! Save the trees!